Gentlemen, now what we have discussed today is ship reporting system and VTS, vessel traffic services. Now, ship reporting system as per SOLAS chapter 5, safety of navigation, regulation number 11, right? All local state contracting government shall implement a ship reporting system. The guidelines and criteria for this is decided by International Maritime Organization. Correct, no? Okay. Now, so any local government, when they implement a ship reporting system, the IMO guidelines can be adopted for that or taken into the account. Copy it, guys? Clear, no? Okay. What are the major points in that ship reporting system? These are one or two. Then ship reporting system can be generic to all ships, or it can be ship specific, that means a type of ships only, or cargo specific, that means it is applicable for some ships which carry exclusively some type of cargoes. Anyway it is possible, right? Next point, a master shall ensure that whenever your ship fall in this particular region, you have to establish a communication and make sure that you have been, pass on all the relevant information required by them, right? Where you will find the details of ship reporting system? ALRS volume 6, right? In ALRS volume 6, together with all port informations and pilotage informations and all the national reporting systems will be given. Apart from that, international ship reporting system and all the general ship reporting system not related to the port, you will find it in alphabetically. When you come to the to the S in the ALRS volume, that entire area ship reporting system will be compiled over there. Copied, guys? If you answer this much, ship reporting system will do. SOLAS chapter 5, regulation number 1, follow these numbers of points. That's it. Till your second mate level, you're through, gentlemen. Okay? Now, VTS. What is the full form of VTS? Vessel Traffic Services. Correct? So, Vessel Traffic Services again is adopted by, or implemented by a port control or any local governments for their waterways or port approaches, right? It is basically, to reduce the risk of traffic, risk of degree of risk of traffic, because of traffic. Now, normally, a VTS, a ship entering VTS, you make a contact, establish a contact with them, all good, correct, no? Now, the VTS are show-based system which range from the provision of simple information messages to ships, such as position of other traffic or meteorological hazards, or it can go up to an extensive management of traffic within the port or waterway. That means the VTS can control your movements, your course, your speed, everything. Copied, guys? So any country, SOLAS chapter 5 gives the local governments, the authority to implement VTS if they are able to justify or prove that the degree of risk in their waterway or port limits is too high because of the traffic. Copied? That's it. Wrap it up, gentlemen. Till second mates, I think if you answer this way, you're through. Okay? Now, this, reporting symbols, we have already discussed what are the, you enter here, you start reporting, keep the watch in the particular VHF channel. Exit from here, enter here, inform both the sectors. From here, outbound, finito la musica. Copied, guys? Bye, gentlemen. Take care. Das Vidania. Bye bye.